Deaf, dirty bad mind, but me do so. Be negative, you just
If a man want a split for me now, me can buy him.
You don't like me and you are still brethren, you know.
That me want give a man, you know. You want a drink, me can give you.
You don't like me.
Yeah, no trouble, me.
And you don't like me, but
Like
me and
you
you are
fuck.
still brethren.
Hey.
What to you, man?
Are you have a problem with me?
Yeah, man, me like you fuck.
Me like you
Trouble if
fuck.
you don't like me.
Then suppose me did have to tell you, say you fuck up today. That not just done today. Tomorrow, all no good.
Yeah. But
Yeah,
me just
man.
tell you what me tell you yesterday.
Yes, today. Say you
me
did
never
just
tell you.
fuck up, yeah.
Me now go call to you when you see us tomorrow
Yeah.
again.
No, just do something fuck up today.
And me
just
tell you,
done. Yeah.
say a fuckery you do.
Yeah.
You
Have me up,
fuck up.
have me up.
Me a carry you a grave. For what? Depend that with no human being, brother.
And sometimes you have to do about
You
nothing like
can
that.
always not like me, no, me not have a problem.
Yeah, cause yes, you
you
find
like
people
like
do the negative way, you know.
It's corrupt
People
in their
hate
mind.
you for who you is, you know.
Definitely.
You
can't be
in
you.
person, people hate you know.
You're
Me know that, man.
And I feel what you do, you know, cause you never do him nothing yet.
Alright.
Nothing.
So where him hate you for? Not just you in person, him hate.
You know feel who you is.
Yeah, man, I feel who you is,
I
man.
should have him at you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'm throwing me around.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Be me, no? Yeah, be me.
What problem you can have with me?
Simple, so,
Me
man.
never talk to you, you know.
Me do even know you.
But you have to go sell. You not like me.
For what?
Me ever do you nothing?
When me say.
I must have told me look.
Yeah.
Make you not like me. You only have your reason still.
Not trouble, man.
Not trouble me.
Me never say nothing about you yet. Maybe me say something and it sound like that you a do.
Yeah, but
It affect you.
It never affect you.
Yeah, but me no know you feel talk about what you do. Yeah.
Or if you name such man, me no know.
No.
Me no know if you name such man, you know.
Me can't just suggest a thing, you know.
Yeah.
And I'm on the one side and knowing himself. So, you know, so we can't say what me do all the while.
Or what me did do one time.
Yeah. Or what me need to stop do.
No.
Yeah.
That's so bad.
Me never trouble you.
And me tell them things just the same where them can continue do to.
Yes.
And things where them never do yet where them can move to.
Yeah.
And it make a benefit of them. You understand
Where
me?
them need to stop.
Stop do. Yeah, man. So
But
a
me
man
never
now
call
fi
your
beg
name.
to me say this fi stop
do that.
do. Yeah.
Me never
How
say
you
you fi
happy fi
stop
hear
do.
when me say girl fi get strap up?
Yeah.
You understand me? So you can hear when me say man fi stop shoot people to man. You
Yeah.
understand me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
And
man.
stop rape little
stop
people.
Yeah,
people
man,
things,
fi
man.
stop take what people things and
Yeah,
rape
poor
little
people.
Man,
you
fi
know what
stop
I say?
kill all people.
Make a one come in and can live happy.
Yes.
Cause remember, you know, me go out and me work hard for my money, you know, brother. And me come in back and me feel like I want to make one house from down a gully come up a road. It's all up to me. That's my comfort. Me I try to make a so me feel comfortable.
Me I work towards.
Yeah, who is you
work
know
for
if
man.
you go if you try kill me if you dead left me house? Eh? Go pay all gunman if you come shoot me.
You understand?
And remember me never rob you $1 for you make this house. So where you want me dead left me house for? Tell me now.
Bad
Too
man.
good for me living when me done make it.
Mine are
We,
good.
we can live so,
Mm.
or we can have a good family and build a better relationship together. So we must happy for one another, man.
Yes, brother.
I'm glad to see each other and know, say, brethren. Me proud of you for know, say, brother, you can make a shelter over your head. Yeah, you can make one room, you can make 10, no problem, brother. The man will make the 10 and me make the one, me happy for you.
Man, so the same, brother.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
When I time, you know, good up can put on the feminine at 9.
If me want to. So simple, you know, man. Cause you want our 10 make you comfortable, you know, but one make me comfortable.
Right,
So,
simple.
well, me I got 8 here.
can't eat it for that.
Grudge you for two, you
Yeah.
make 10.
One me one.
Me
you
hero,
want.
your bossy. Where bossy coming at that?
And you run.
Yeah, this is how you get
The man
man.
make him wanna comfort.
Yeah,
Make
hard
your
to make it,
own
man.
comfort,
Yeah,
brother. You
man.
notice the ball plateness no look like for the chicken, huh?
No.
Neither for the doctor bird.
No, not
A
all.
man never notice doctor
Every
bird
man
nest.
nest different,
Make him
man.
own rest,
Yeah,
brother.
man.
And make him
Man
nest
make
feel
them own
comfort.
rest, man. Yeah,
So if you know see a 10 room you want pan for your house to get you comfortable.
This so
you know.
you're comfortable and
This
you're
so
not
you go
stop till you
towards,
get the
you know.
10 room. Yeah.
And as the man say, I want make him comfortable.
Yeah, man.
Then what the problem we should have with each
I
other?
don't have no problem
No,
with you, brother.
no,
me not
no.
see that as a problem to me. Cause remember, you know, you not take away nothing from me if you make yourself that comfort, you know.
Comfort, you know.
That mean me I lose things and you are build up. Yeah, me not see nothing in that.
I know that happen.
No.
So why we should have a problem with you, man?
Make good with you, brother. Some man are two virgin, you know.
Two, man.
Friendship broke up, you know. Yeah, man. You know, if you make such a big
You know,
house.
should not do nothing.
You know, if you buy such a dear car.
No.
What make that one dear car you like?
And you can't afford it.
Yeah, you
So
buy
you go
it.
there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man. Yeah,
Who
man.
is me for that hurt me? Where that take from me for you buy your dear
Them want to
car?
have
That's it hurt me. You know hurt me. What not that for trouble me?
What do you think you do to this one now to me? You just prove your fucking self.
Simple.
Yeah, make me more powerful.
You
go
just
prove
no want me
yourself.
to have nothing good. You know want see
No,
me
me
good.
have
You
Yes,
know
so
want see me good.
You show me clearly see you that.
Yeah.
Some things you
And
fuck
that
that
you
don't
show
make
me
you money.
now, you know. Say,
Clearly you show me
you
what
go
you
show
is.
me who you is now, right?
man.
When you do all of this. When
We
you
don't
want to do
need
that
to
for?
show that to people because
No.
me is not that. So where me I go get that from for sure you? Me can never find that for sure you know.
Them say it's simple.
No, me can't find that for
That's the
sure.
dirty bad mind in me. Must be blood clot.
Right one man he tell me say me bad mind. Me ask him for what?
Bad mind.
For worthless like you and none ambition. Tell me now if people are bad mind people for worthlessness.
Yes.
And none
I know
ambition.
nothing.
Tell me now.
Oh, yeah.
So if me did a look somebody know if you go bad mind. Me I go
Mind.
bad mind and
Yo.
none ambition person.
Like
And me
it, yo.
want have more ambition than what me have. So why me should not have don't bad mind you when I have ambition? That mean me worse than you then, brother.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, man, me worse some blood clot, you so now just try go have sense and come back and talk to
Mind
me.
for yourself.
Yeah. Try have sense before you talk to me, brother.
Yeah.
Cause me not fool, you know. Yeah. Where the fuck do you, man? Yeah. Cause not even example me can take off
After
of you, you know.
Cause you're not setting no.
None.
Right.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
when
say
me
no
a
to
go
me
do?
take.
Definitely, my boy. Definitely. Just like you can't tell a man you're a problem we can't help you.
Yeah, man.
Where the fuck you can't do to me? You can't help me now.
You don't even have good advice.
Yeah, me
Cause you
need
don't even have it
advice.
for yourself.
Yeah, so when
Cause
you
good advice take you out of
Oh, you
things, you know.
mean? Oh, you mean?
Some man might not have the
Financial wise or
give
physical,
you,
but
yeah,
him
fi-
can give you some advice.
some good advice
Yeah.
and you move to
You
here.
run with it.
Yeah, man,
Yes,
and it break you out of
Oh,
the
you
situation
mean?
where you did
And
it.
would I
You know.
help- Would I help you?
Then you it a go help, cause
help
you
you.
move to it and you see how it help you. Yeah, man.
Definitely.
If you don't have not even that figure me in my problem, why discuss it to you? Tell me now. Cause remember, you know, me know you don't have financial and you don't have good advice, so why me I tell you this?
Yeah.
You do have not good advice for yourself. And left me alone, man. Yeah, man.
That's your word.
Bad mind.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you first?
Yeah, so you see some people do work when you really know when for you.
Yeah, cause in which way you see me bad, man. Show me
When
how.
for you sometimes.
Yeah, tell me who you is, man.
Yes.
How that come up, how that come in. You know what is bad, man? Cause you have to make you know it. You see it already? Yeah, you see that already? You don't know what it is, man, and you have it. Yeah, I mean, I know about it, I don't see it. I know what it look like, yeah. I know what it takes to bad mind. Where you go have for me bad mind? Yeah? Where me no have, me I go bad mind?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me no know.
Where you have when me no have.
Yeah, me tell me.
Where you have when me no have when me should have really brought you from bad.
So I'm sing that song, the man.
Life.
What would you say?
Life.
Life? How
And
much
me
life
have
you
it,
have?
me have
Be a
it.
negative, they
How
might
much
carry
you have?
gun.
One.
Look like a 10.
That me know.
Must it be?
One me have and you have one.
I
Where
think
you
you
have one me no have. Good man. You a think to say me bad mind. Me not do that. Me not have time to do so.
But if I even live, you couldn't bad mind him. And 9 you got.
I'm November.
Paper good.
Him not thinks your life, you know.
No, sir.
Him think I'm dirty ways. Yeah. And that him have. Oh.
Have have nothing else.
Cause him not check out value life is, you know.
Enough man don't know that.
No, same do it not say I want life, cat would I want for me life.
Look
I
here.
know that him a thing,
Look
man.
here, brother. Man.
Him dirty ways, man.
Enough people we have life till the day we are live don't know where them have.
True, man.
Okay.
Enough people don't know what life
Don't know
is.
what it is to them today. Him just a live.
Him don't know where life
Him no
work.
nourish it. Him no take care of it. Him no try to do nothing to it. Him just a live. Oh,
Yes, him get this as gift, you know.
that's
So
right.
him don't know what it takes to get this.
No.
You understand me? Him don't know why him deserve a pussy clout, why him get life.
From after you
Yeah.
get this now. You know what else you can gain after life? Everything. Everything come after life.
All heap of people never get life, you know.
Eh.
And some get it and it smash
Lose
away.
it. Yeah. So what happen? You know, like fear one.
It no work while him have it.
Try keep it.
Yeah, man. Him have it now, you know, so him a tell himself, say, I something him did have to have.
And can't lose.
Yeah.
Nah, go can't lose.
It's not a must say you did have to have it.
So you have to glorify when
That me mean, that me mean,
Glorify
man.
feet.
Cool no, man.
You have to glorify
So me
feet,
mean,
man.
right,
Yeah.
that's some of the.
You have to give thanks, man.
Yeah, man,
Yeah,
right, them, man. You
Give
make
thanks
sure
and
you
bless up the
can
one
give
make
thanks for
you make
this.
you get this too,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Yeah, man. You
Give
can't
thanks,
grateful, you
man.
know.
Yeah, cut you one out. So long as you thank life, you thank God, you know, cause God
Yes.
them tell we say, you know.
Yeah.
brother. So, you know,
What you mean?
you just need to give thanks for life.
Yeah, man, and your old man and old
Yeah,
lady.
man, you know, if you got you no
Yeah.
hard stress,
No,
you know
no,
who is
no.
God and what is God.
No, life.
Just give thanks for life, brother.
Yes.
Yeah, man,
is
that
life,
is it, and that me see it as
Then I
business.
coulda
What
want
puzzle me coulda want go take on?
To find out that.
Eh,
Me see clearly in
See,
front of me eye.
yeah, man.
Every
Life,
day me
man.
tell people that, you know, brother, but me have
so
to give head
if a man a go say, bawdacat no like God and him no know God, that way you tell yourself, say.
feel.
Because me not go around the see so where me need me a hunt and a search
and
to
a
find where me
all
have.
out.
Yeah.
Me have it, you know.
You don't know what is God until now you're the power.
And that's why enough of them are run up and down till the day still alone.
Then where the
And can't
fuck you
find no
could and
resting
look
place.
for again? You
Fool and
you
foolish.
search till you lost.
And
to
you
pussy
never
car.
find where you are look for. Because
you have where you look
Because
for
you have where you
already.
look for if you find me
Yeah,
again.
you cannot find it. Remember me tell you.
I just know
Yeah,
people
man.
don't know what life is all about,
People
brother.
just
Every day we have to
foolish.
tell them,
Yeah,
that,
man.
Life is one of the glorious blood clottest thing you can ever get
True,
power, man.
man.
Look
I
how
say,
life
man.
nice. Look on what we are doing now.
Yeah.
Eh? Look what we are look on them nice trees and flowers and sunshine.
Blooming
here to we
things,
are right
yes,
now.
yeah.
Till the day yeah. Till the Wednesday. Eh?
Come
You
true,
know
come
what
forth
go on
to
for you
life.
today. All when you know have a dollar in your pocket and you never eat from the black done, life still preserve.
Life, man.
Yes, I give thanks and praise. Yes, I give thanks.
Life
Where
is
is
dear,
Fata?
man.
Where is Moms?
Mm.
All of them gone leave. We here.
Yeah, man, with
Life
memories only.
Only life
Memories
live on and
only.
boy give thanks for life and
Yeah.
the greatest thing better money.
You know, this man, I'm going to shoes pan away, man. So rest in peace, Christ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Shoes pan
Yeah, yeah.
Peace and peace.
So I just wish we go back in ourselves and think positive and dash away the negative and put love in front.
That's all.
every time.
And you will carry out.
Every time.
You will reach your
Every
glory.
time, man. Yeah,
We are
man.
fighters, the man I tell me, brother Cat said, no bother with the people fighting.
Nah, man.
We have
Nah,
children
no,
far.
wait, it's necessary. Wait,
Live
sense
up,
in
man.
it.
Live up,
Look,
brother.
look the result where you get
man.
from it when
No
you're
man-
done. When
no
you're
man
done
not fi
fight.
beat, no man for teach, no man nothing here, no man. Cause all of we are big man and we are big people and we been there.
Yeah,
Look
man.
here, look where life I come from. Look where we were and we are today.
Yeah.
Why a man not see said things worded, brother?
Yeah,
He
you word
worded,
if you
man.
live,
When-
man.
when the
Word
word
it to
chat,
live,
man, I do,
man. Yeah,
Man, if you
man.
just understand themselves and live up, brother, and give praise for life, man.
Then you're not happy for where you come from. You don't think the other man happy see you. So why you want to stop him from go more if him pick up?
if him fi go further upon the
Yeah,
journey.
yeah.
You know, make the man trod on, man.
But I wanna be that guy if he stop now.
No, man.
Yeah, I wanna be
No,
that guy of blood.
because your blood clot day no might pretty.
No, no, go look
Probably
good.
no man stop you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
No, go pretty for
probably
you.
one bumbo clot tractor stop you or one truck.
And one of the worst thing, you know. And the debt I go bad, you know.
No.
And the struggle we are going to struggle before
Four. Yeah.
Before death.
Before. Or
You
who you left back in a
understand me?
pain.
Yeah.
Who you left back in a it.
Simple.
That's
why I tell a man, say, brother, me would have just like things done equal, you know.
Yeah, man.
If you are wicked, man, nobody make a picnic face the judgment.
No, sir.
Just take it blood clot before you go.
Yeah, man. Carry with you.
Yes, because who you picnic are wicked too.
Mm-hmm.
But I just fear blood clot teeth about the sour grape and fear picnic one edge.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me? I just, that are the part of me not like, you know.
Yeah, man. You carry a burden, man.
Yeah, man. Carry your burden, go on with you, man.
Take
Yeah,
on the
man.
journey
Go on
you,
with
man.
it, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You think no man judgment to catch me? No man judgment can't catch me, man. You could have wicked some blood clot more catch you them in a bless already. Yes. That me need, you see.
Yeah, so for the blessing wash off your
How
dirty
the
blood
clot there, man, catch you.
Can't catch me.
Can't catch me.
Yeah, mother, father, and sister,
Yeah,
brother.
it cannot
Wait for your
catch
fuck when you
me.
do,
Yeah,
can't do me nothing.
can't catch me. Yeah.